Hello everyone, welcome to my video on file stream classes. In this video, you will learn what is a file stream, which are various types of file streams, which are different file stream classes, hierarchy of input-output stream classes and file stream classes. Let us see what do we mean by file stream. The input-output system in C++ provides an interface between the program and the files. This interface is known as a file stream. Whenever we are writing C++ programs, sometimes we are required to handle the files, and the program interacts with files through this file stream. So just like a bridge, it bridges gap between the program and the file, and hence it is an interface between program and files. A file stream is basically a sequence of bytes taken from a file or sent to a file. At lower level, the file stream is nothing but a sequence of bytes, and this number of bytes or a sequence of bytes are generated by a program and given to a file or sent to a file, or a sequence or number of bytes are taken or read from a file and given to a program. This give and take between program and file is in terms of sequence of bytes, and it is at lower level. So a file stream is basically a sequence of bytes. There are two types of streams: input file stream and output file stream. Types of file streams. Let us see the difference between input file stream and output file stream. The file stream that supplies data from a data file to a program is known as an input file stream. So the input file stream is nothing but it is the source of data, and this source of data for program, and this data is taken from a file which is stored on a disk. So like this, the input file stream supplies data from a file on a disk to a program. In case of output file stream, it is a file stream that receives data from a program and writes it in a file. So whatever the output generated by the program, that output data is taken by this file stream and written on a file, in a file on a disk. That is nothing but output file stream. The input file stream extracts or reads data from a file and gives it as input data to a program. So the data is available on a file and it is read or extracted by this input file stream, and it is given to the program as an input. In case of output file stream, it inserts or writes data from a program to a file. The program generates the output data, and that data is inserted into the output stream, and then output stream writes it into a file. So these are the important points of input file stream and output file stream. Let us see the function of input-output file streams. So this is a C++ program. This C++ program needs or requires input data, and this input data is available on a disk file. The data is read from this disk file and given to the input file stream. From input file stream, the data is given to the program. So like this, you can see here the input file stream acts as an interface between the file and the program. The input file stream extracts or read data from a disk file. So this left arrow indicates that the data is read or extracted from disk file to input file stream, and from input file stream it is provided to the program as an input data. Now this program will process this input data and will generate output, that is the output data. This output data is inserted into the output file stream. So like this, the output data will go from program to output file stream, and from output file stream it is written into the file on the disk. So like this, this is the flow from program to output file stream and then to disk file. So like this, here the output file stream again acts as an interface between the program and the file. So this operation, that is from input file stream to program, this is called as extraction operation. So extraction from file stream, the data is extracted from file stream and given to the program. Similarly, the data is inserted into file stream. The output data generated by the program is inserted into output file stream, and like this, here these two operations are performed, that is extraction operation, which is input operation and which is implemented using extraction operator, and this insertion into file stream, this can be done using insertion operator. So this diagram is called as input output file stream. So here both input file stream and output file streams are explained, and both are acting as interface between the program and file. Now let us see what do we mean by file stream classes. The C++ input output system contains hierarchy of classes that are used to define various streams to handle files, and these all classes are known as file stream classes. So input output system, so that is the system which provides the media or facilities for performing input and output operations, and these operations may be using input output devices or files. And to handle these input device, output devices and files, there are certain classes, predefined classes in this C++, and they are arranged, organized in particular hierarchy. So there are hierarchy of classes, and these hierarchy classes are used to define various streams to handle the files, and all this entire hierarchy of classes is known as file stream classes. The file stream classes are defined in a header file fstream.h. So whenever you are handling the files in your C++ program, you have to include this header file fstream.h. Which are the various file stream classes? Let us see. The first file stream class is input file stream class, that is ifstream class. Second is output file stream class, that is ofstream class, and third is fstream class, that is file stream class. So these are the main three file stream classes: ifstream class, ofstream class, and fstream class. So this is about file stream classes. Now let us see the hierarchy of file stream classes. So there is one main class named IOS, that is input output system class. From this input output system class, one class is derived, that is iStream class. So iStream class is the derived class of iOS class. Similarly, one more class is derived from iOS class, that is OStream class. So like this, here these three classes form the hierarchical inheritance, that is iStream and OStream. These two classes are derived from one base class, that is iOS class. Now from this iStream and OStream classes, one class is derived, that is known as IOStream class. So here IOStream class is derived from two base classes, that is iStream and OStream, and in this way these three classes, that is iStream, OStream and IOStream, form the multiple inheritance, and all these four classes combinedly form the hybrid inheritance. Let us go further. From this iOS class there is one pointer pointing to stream buff, that is stream buffer. So this is a pointer type object which is created of the type iOS class. Again from iOS class one more class is derived, that is fstream base class. So fstream base class is the derived class of iOS class. Now again it is extended further, this hierarchy extended further. From iStream class one class is derived, and from iStream and fstream base class one class is derived, that is ifstream class. So in this way ifstream is the derived class derived from two base classes, that is iStream and fstream base. From OStream and fstream base class one class is derived, that is OFstream class. So in this way here, using multiple inheritance, the ifstream class is derived from two base classes, that is iStream and fstream, while OFstream class is derived from two base classes, OStream and fstream. Now IOStream class is again further extended, and from this one more class is derived, and with the help of fstream base class also, that is there are two base classes, that is IOStream and fstream. From these two base classes one class is derived named fstream class. So like this one more multiple inheritance is implemented here, that is fstream class is derived from two base classes, that is IOStream and fstream base classes. So like this, in this hierarchy of classes you can see we came across first main class is iOS class, then iStream class, OStream class and fstream base class. From iStream and fstream, ifstream is derived. From OStream and fstream, OFstream is derived. From iStream and OStream, IOStream is derived, and from IOStream and fstream base, fstream is derived. So like this various inheritance are implemented here to form this hierarchy of classes. Now this stream buff is extended further to generate one more object, that is file buffer. So these classes are partitioned into two systems, that is one is IOStream, that is whatever the classes which are above this dotted line are included in IOStream file, that is iOS class, iStream class, OStream class and IOStream class. These are included or defined in IOStream file, while the classes below this dotted line, that is ifstream, fstream, OFstream, fstream base and file buffer, these are defined in another file named fstream file. So the above classes are related to basic input output operations using input output devices, while the file stream classes, that is below dotted line, these classes are defined to perform operations on file, that is a file handling operations. And all these combinedly have the hierarchy that is called as input output stream classes. Let us see in detail one by one fstream base class. So fstream base class that is file stream base class. It serves as a base for ifstream, ofstream and fstream classes. So in the figure we have seen that ifstream class, ofstream class and fstream class, these three classes are derived from fstream base class. So like this, it provides or serves as a base for these three classes. Then this class inherits the properties of iOS class as it is derived from iOS. So iOS is the ancestor class of this system, and the properties of iOS class are inherited into this fstream base class. This fstream base class provides operations common to file streams. So input file stream, output file stream. So for these two file streams, whatever the common operations that are provided by this fstream base class, the member functions such as open function and close functions are declared in this particular class. So these two functions we require to open file and close file, and the definitions of these member functions are available or declared in this particular fstream base class. The next stream class is ifstream class, that is input file stream class. This class is derived from iStream and fstream base classes. So there are two base classes for this class. It provides the input file operations. So whenever you want to perform input file operations, that operations are provided by this class. The member function such as open with default input mode is defined in it. The general open function is included in fstream base class, and while opening the file, the default mode is input mode, that is read mode. So open function with input mode is declared or defined in this class. This ifstream class inherits member functions get, getLine, read, seekg and tailg from iStream classes. So this iStream class is having the definitions of this get, getLine, read, seekg and tailg functions, and these functions are inherited into this ifstream class also, and these are helpful for handling the files or to perform file operations. Next file stream class is ofstream class, that is output file stream class. This ofstream class is derived from again two classes, that is ostream and fstream base classes. So it provides the output file operations. So whatever the basic output file operations that are provided by this class, the member function open with the default output mode is defined in this particular class. That is, while opening the file, if you want to open the file in output mode, that is for write operation, then this open function is used with output mode, and by default this open function, if it is called from this class, then the default mode is output mode. You can perform output operation directly. It inherits the member functions such as put function, write function, seekp function, tailp functions, etc. from ostream class. So all these four functions, put, write, seekp and tailp, are defined in ostream class, and from it they are derived or inherited into this ofstream class. The next class is fstream class, that is input output stream file stream class. So it is derived from again two classes, that is iostream class and fstream class. So these are the two base classes for this class. It provides both operations, input as well as output. The ifstream class provides input file operations, ofstream class provides output file operations, while this fstream class provides both operations, input as well as output file operations. Now the member function open is available in this class with different modes. So in case of input file stream, we have seen only input mode was there. In case of output stream class, file stream class, only output mode was there, but here in fstream class there are multiple modes available to open the file. This class inherits some member functions from two base classes, that is iStream and ostream classes, through iostream class. So in the hierarchy we have seen, that is iStream from iStream and OStream classes. IOStream class is derived, and then again further it is extended up to FStream class. So due to this hierarchy, the member functions are inherited from these three classes. Then file buff. File buff means file buffer. Its purpose is to set file buffers to read and write data. So whenever you are performing read from file and write into file, one buffer memory is required, and that buffer space is provided by this file buff. It contains the constants used to open the file. So there are certain constants we'll see afterwards required for the open files. It also contains open and close member functions. Again, let us revise the file stream classes, the hierarchy of file stream classes, because we have seen these classes one by one. Let us go quickly. iOS class, from this class iStream class is derived as well as OStream class is derived. So like this, these two iStream and OStream classes are derived from iOS class. From iStream and OStream again one class is derived, that is IOStream class. These four classes are included or defined in one header file, that is IOStream file. One file pointer is there, that is stream buffer. Then from iOS class one more class is derived, that is FStream base class. Then FStream base plus iStream. From these two classes one more class is derived, that is iFStream class. Then from OStream and FStream base, OStream class is derived, and from IOStream and FStream base, FStream class is derived. Then the file, that is stream buffer, is extended further to file buffer. There is these classes are divided into two parts, two categories. The upper category is, that is IOStream file, and lower is FStream file. Means these classes are defined in these two different files. So like this is the complete hierarchy of input output stream classes as well as file stream classes. The classes above this dotted line are known as IOStream classes, while the classes below this dotted line are known as file stream classes. Thank you for watching my video on file stream classes.